It's a good one there. Much. Had a nice chat with you. Got a handshake there. Hope to see you again soon.
Thanks so much.
All right then. Well, I think it's time to just do a brief around the trading for today in its entirety, and the market is still dipping in red from what I see here. But I have an equities trader with APT Securities and Funds, a friend of the house too, Mr. Jamil Mohammed. Mr. Mohammed, good afternoon. How are you today?
Good afternoon, Tolu. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yes.
The market closed in the red.
Go ahead.
Well, all in all, we're here very delighted. Market, you know, the trend has been on up until last week we started witnessing downward trend. And the downward trend continued up to yesterday and also today. The market lost about 1.46%. And this is not unconnected with the loss of Dangote Cement. Dangote Cement lost 9.88%, which pushed down the market more than what is expected. So we'll have the market breadth close in the negative territory because of the fact that the gainers, we have 25 gainers and we'll have 40 losers. Looking at the volume traded, the market traded about 1.027 billion units of shares worth about 17 billion. When you look at those stocks that traded above 1 billion, you have Nigerian breweries traded 2.133 billion naira worth of stock. Dangote Cement traded about 1.350 billion worth of stock, and Access Bank traded about 1.045 billion. So these are the three stocks that cross the territory of 1 billion worth of stock traded, looking at the value traded today. So as I said earlier, we have 25 gainers and we have 40 losers. And the gainers chart is being led by Nigerian MNL1, which lost about 9.95%, and Royal S lost by 10%, followed by Dangote Cement, which lost by 9.88%. So when you see the trend in the market right now, you see that there is change in trend. Trend in trend in the sense that last week, when market is about moving tilting towards the red region, you see insurance sector subsector and led the gaining streak, and we saw almost all the banking, insurance stock, insurance sectoral indices start to move upward. But as we speak today, almost all the insurance subsector on the losing streak. So there is change in the trend of the market right now. So what we believe is that this may likely continue for a while because of the fact that there must be correction to what market has witnessed for more than 11 trading weeks that we have had to be a positive trading session. So this is where we are as of today. Our investors are advised to be cautious and also look at those stocks that have fundamentals.
Now, company shares have been upbeat as market performance grows nearly 40%, but some investors point to undervalued securities. Now, my question really, Mr. Mohammed, I like your views, is what are the best ways to recover our equities values at this time?
I didn't get that first part of your
Okay, I
statement.
said company shares have been upbeat as market performance grows by nearly 40%. There's been a growth of 40% in the market. So I'm asking you, what are the best ways to recover equities values at this time?
The best way to recover equity value?
At this time, yes.
Okay. I think I can get that. You know, the market has moved up considerably, and we are having here today is a return above 40%. So when you look at the performance of most of these listed companies, you see that their performance is a bit okay compared to what they had in last year. Though we are still expecting some of those banking subsector to listed banking to come and release their results. And we expect them to release their results because of the fact that they are likely release their audited report. This audited report is what will push some of these banking stocks beyond the level that they have now. Because many of them always release their half-year audited report. And because of the fact that they need also the approval from CBN, these these companies or their audited report is still holding, and we still believe that they will still come back to us to say, okay, they are releasing their results. So what we expect the investor to do, we are still in the earnings season because of those banking stocks that have not been released their results, because that most of them may likely pay interim dividends. And that may start another kind of a rally in the market, which we believe that will likely come up. So our advice to our investors to have their value back is that those that have made considerable gain, especially in the insurance companies, should also take their profits. And those that have invested in those companies that have fundamentals to hold on to their result and their investments. So by this, we expect that their value on their portfolio still remain intact.
Brilliant, as always. Mr. Jami Mohammed, Equities Traders, Equity Security and Funds Limited. Do enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you for your time.
Thank you very much, Tolu. It's a pleasure to be here.
All right, then, that's our show today. Thank you so much for being a part of it. See you tomorrow, same time. We'll talk more business. Stay safe and always get the cash. I'll see you.